Guys, and Lucky, thank you. I know you appreciate the help, but it's really rectifying. I want to know from people, where do you seem to be going wrong? Where do you seem to be having a problem? I know I talked through the educational course, and we have another class today with, a special teacher himself, Mark Melnick, and, you guys are welcome if you're taking the class already. Please feel free to join in today again also. We talked about it in my class 2 days ago, and we were trying to repair some of the strategies that people are having where they go wrong. And, one of the students I was talking to said that they had a cool trigger philosophy where something triggers and that gives them an area to enter. And I think that's great, but, as you know, my philosophy talks about having that stock trigger, waiting for it to pull in, or vice versa, if it's a short, waiting for it to rally after it triggers, and don't have to buy or chase something up. I think that's where a lot of people go wrong also, is people end up buying certain top parts of ranges and then having to sell out a bottom part of ranges, and that's what the market's set up to do, right? It's set up to push you around, both to the long side and the short side. So there's a way to anticipate the trade, as we always talk about it, and I hate reacting to trade. I love anticipating. I love building it. So I'll just give you a quick example. 2 days ago in Monster, MNST, I had my options position, my calls position. I waited for some of the options to rally. I sold some of them with the idea that I would put a bid back in on some of the options to buy them back, the same call for a cheaper price. And you know what? It swung down to my level. I got hit on the bid again. I got back into the position. I actually increased my position at a better price because now I was trading with the house's money, and I was able to now hold on to my position for even longer as the stock goes through the $55 level, and I own the $55 calls, and they were 35 cents at the time. My point is just to anticipate, being able to anticipate those moves and what's going to happen next and how you want to trade it, as opposed to just chasing something. Why don't you anticipate the move, then chase it? Even if it triggers, wait for the next pull-in. That's what I look at.